and we did the first few years again. So Papa has always been part of the history, even though a lot of people don't realize it or know this. We have always been part of the history. We toured with Rita Marley. We wrote most of Rita Marley hit songs, including One Draw, and we wrote and produced all of those songs, plus the Ziggy Marley and the Melody Makers. We produced most of the early songs. The first two albums, we did all of those songs.
Oh.
So we have been very close to the Marleys. Guap Cooper, our musical arranger and drummer, he worked with Bob Marley a lot and produced vocals for a lot of Bob Marley albums. So we've always been there, we're a soca band. We actually started playing soca quite late. We actually started playing soca all the way to 85. Before that, we were all reggae. We did a lot of big shows at
Before
Madison Square Garden.